Oh yeah, y'all. Yep. Welcome back. And we're gonna get straight into this one right here. And judging by the color of the hair, you know how this gonna go. Hey, please hit subscribe, like the video, share it. Shouts out to the provider of this video right here. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to their channel. I'm out. Let's do this.
Are you ready?
On Wednesday, June 4th, 2025, officers were dispatched to a domestic disturbance involving an elderly woman and her adult granddaughter. The confrontation escalated inside a bathroom, where the suspect allegedly kicked the elderly victim, who is partially blind and relies on a walker, causing her to fall back into a hallway wall. A witness inside the home confirmed hearing the altercation and seeing the victim thrown from the room.
That's crazy. That's cold. You know, when y'all hear a knock like that, you know who that is.
Hello, man, please.
Whatever you were smoking, flush it out of the toilet.
Where's your granddaughter now?
Yeah.
She kicked you in your stomach?
Yes.
was here.
Can we come inside?
I went and called her to come to us, and she started, cursing and yelling and, But she was a little bit.
Did you see her hit her?
No, I didn't see her kick her, but she was in the bathroom. I seen her flying out the bathroom and getting the wall here, the hallway.
Damn.
Is this your granddaughter?
Yes.
And what's her name?
Samantha Brown.
What is she beefing with you about? What is she so upset about? Where she hasn't kicked you?
The grandma told police her granddaughter had been staying at her house, but things had gotten out of hand. According to her, the young woman was constantly loud, disrespectful, and had even drawn complaints from neighbors. The grandma said she had simply asked her to leave, and that's when everything spiraled. Out of nowhere, the granddaughter exploded, screaming, cursing, and finally, drop-kicking her into the wall. Her partner backed her up, telling officers, "She just lost it. We didn't even raise our voices." The grandmother said she wasn't badly hurt physically, but she felt betrayed. "I took her in when she had nowhere else to go," she told police. Both she and her partner insisted on pressing charges.
Yep. Match the color hair. The brighter the hair color, the more trouble. You gotta match the hair color with the first cartoon character that pop up in your mind. That's how they behave.
You let me know?
Nope.
Yes.
Have a seat, please.
What? About what?
Have a seat, please.
About what?
Ma'am, have a seat.
Yes, can you sit up? Hold on. I have to see what a minute. I don't know, you could be a kidnapper or anything. So hold on a minute.
Who is gonna want to kidnap you though? A kidnapper. Just randomly came to kidnap you. Yeah.
I understand that. Actually, I don't. And I'm a police officer as well. So please stop. I don't know who you is. Real. What you wrong?
Have a seat, please.
Yeah, I need an officer. I'm on,
All right. Her ghetto switch is stuck. It's stuck to on. She can't turn it off. I don't think it can be turned off unless, you know what I'm saying, you hit it with a 2-ton falling piano.
I'm on OT and Central. I need a police officer. I don't know who this is. I don't know if he's talking about a uniform or anything. I feel like I'm about to be kidnapped. I ain't did nothing. I'm a police officer as well.
Okay, she's calling the police on the police, as if the police the dispatch she's on the phone with didn't already get that call from that same address.
Please send a unit. Matter of fact, I'm on Nashville and Washington Street. Please send a unit, because I don't know who this is. And he has no reason to be in my face. No.
That's why the kidnapper, who the police station son, is so calm.
It's a police officer in my face for no reason, and I'm law enforcement as well, and he in my face for no reason, and I feel very threatened. It say McPhee. He don't look like a McPhee at all.
Well, how McPhee supposed to look? What you look like? No, you look like a goddamn, not even a Sharkeisha.
Miranda Brown. 321-413-4108. Yes, actually I was on my way to the courthouse. I'm finna go file some paperwork, and I think he's trying to kidnap me before I go do it. So please send an officer. I don't know who this is. I ain't did nothing for him to be in my face. I don't know who this is. What you want?
Right now you are detained.
For what?
She's talking to him like he a nigga from the streets. It's a regular street nigga.
For what?
Anything that happened with your grandmother?
I didn't do anything to her. Okay. So please get out my face.
All right.
I didn't do anything to her.
This is entitlement on turbo.
No, you're not free to go.
Whatever. What? Yes. Hey, sir. Please. 4108.
I love when they think that the new cops that arrive to the scene are their friends.
They took my undertale. I'm on my way to 33rd.
They talk about.
Well, I am law enforcement. I didn't do anything to that.
Whenever they lying about something, I tell you, they be like, they talk about this, they talk about that.
Lady, I'm supposed to go file some paperwork, and he's trying to kidnap me before I do it.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oops.
Hold on your phone so it doesn't fall, okay? Calling the Paul.
The officer she thought she called is placing her in cuffs now. Now what you gonna do?
Can you get my stuff down there?
Yes, ma'am.
And she's picking a fight with the black officer. If you notice anything, she ain't say nothing to that other officer.
For sure. I'm gonna take this off your waist, okay?
Okay, but they can do that when I get.
Anything the black officer does, it bothers the hell out of her. But not the other cop.
There, do not touch my hair.
Stop.
Tell him don't touch my hair, though.
I'm not gonna let you get in the back of the
Okay,
seat.
yes, you are. Don't touch my
He's
hair.
trying to help you.
Ma'am,
No, he's not.
You can't ride with this in your head.
Yes, I can. Stop touching my son's hair.
And both of the officers are equally calm.
We're just trying to help you, man.
No, you're
We don't want you
not.
to get jammed up
I
while
didn't
you're-
do anything. What is you trying to arrest me for?
Do you want us to explain it?
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Okay, so
What? Did y'all hear that logic? She said, what are y'all arresting me for? She's like, what are y'all arresting me for? And he said, do you want me to explain? She was like, no.
I didn't do nothing.
Wow.
That lady is a witch. That is not her. That is a fucking decoy witch in there. And I did not do nothing.
do you have anything?
Is she a real witch or a fake witch? Which one?
No, I didn't do shit.
Any pockets? Nothing tucked in your
No,
shoes? Nothing tucked
man.
in your breast area? Nothing in
No.
there? Okay, all right. I'm gonna get the AC going for you, then I'll explain everything once we're in here, okay?
Please tell this man to get his handcuffs off me.
All right, go take a seat.
I am law enforcement as well. I didn't do anything.
Please don't make me force you in the car.
Girl, please.
You want your seatbelt on?
No, I don't.
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
1032 Randall Street.
Yeah, I know. She looks older than that, don't she? Yeah.
I think for the crime she committed, attacking a poor elderly lady, the way she attacked her, I think she should do some time in jail for that, man. They be slapping these chicks on the wrist when they commit big crimes. That's a big crime right there, man. You know what I'm saying? She should get at least 3 years or 4 years in jail.
Yeah.
Minimum.
I was like, are you her caregiver? He goes, no, that's my lady. So.
I heard it say no. What's going on here? To Echo James, Double Mouse. 9-5. 9-44, you ready to head home?
Hello, fellow mate. Hope you're having a most wonderful evening watching our Logic on Steroids channel. Today we're using the Samsung and Google Circle to search feature to see what the fuck kind of knife this crazy psycho bitch is carrying around in her purse. Well, it seems as though she's wheeling around a Laser 5 Regent Sheffield, England stainless steel with a whopping 12.5-inch blade. She could have made her some grandma cookies out of her own fucking grandma. Let's get her the fuck off these streets, yeah! Back to you, Bob.
A kitchen knife in her purse. Out of that, man, I'm telling you, man. Thanks for saving the streets, y'all, because Lord knows where that knife was gonna go.
Toasty!
Hello, airheads, whatever that is. I know she got a black and island there somewhere.
He had enough of Foxtrot immediately. He said, I'm done with this. Is that what that is?
I mean, you know police coming.
Yeah.
You don't ditch the knife.
And the victim award goes to...
What? Why do you... No! Stop touching me! No. Do not put your hands on me. No, you're not. You're not gonna put your hands on me. You're trying to kidnap me.
You already detained.
It don't matter.
Oh
Do not
my
put your hands on me, though.
So
You're a fucking kidnapper. And I'm gonna get you put on a death row execution.
Yo, I don't call it mental illness. Or mental illness. I don't call it mental illness. I don't call it that. It's just, I think it's just drugs. I'm not accusing her. I don't know her from a can of paint. But y'all gotta stop confusing mentally ill people with just drug addicts.
For kidnapping me. I'm law enforcement too. So just know that shit. And I'm not even playing with you. You really could take these handcuffs off of me. I ain't do shit to your ass.
Okay, we'll do that.
Okay?
Alright, we'll take that.
Now, she stepped out because she thought he was going to adjust the cuffs.
Why are you touching my thing? That's my speaker. Why are you touching my thing?
Have a seat.
So what is this? Did you just say you was taking the handcuffs off me?
Yeah, he did not say that. He was damn listening.
I just told him I'm law enforcement. So what's up there? So when you get locked up, and when you go to prison, don't ask why.
Oh, send her off.
Hey,
Save
man,
the world.
All in a day's work.
Yo, man, just hit subscribe to that channel. They're the providers of the video. I appreciate y'all for watching this. Subscribe to my channel, Logic on Steroids. Like the video, share. I got more crazy incidents. Oh man, they wear me out. All right, peace. Love y'all, man.